In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your MetaMask accounts to the Rabby Wallet. This process will enhance your crypto management experience by allowing you to access a unified interface for your cryptocurrency needs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to rabby.io. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Download Extension. Click on that, and this will initiate the download process for the Rabby Wallet browser extension. It's quick and simple, ensuring that all necessary files are set up properly on your device. Once the download is complete, proceed to install the Rabby Wallet extension onto your browser. It's a good idea to pin it right next to your MetaMask extension on the toolbar. Doing so keeps everything within easy reach and allows you to seamlessly switch between the two whenever needed. With the extension ready to go, locate and click the Rabby icon in your browser. This will launch the wallet interface and guide you to the next steps. A prompt will appear, giving you a series of choices. Select the option that says Import from existing wallet. This is the step where you'll bring your MetaMask accounts into Rabby. Next, you'll be asked to choose the source wallet. Here, you should select MetaMask. Rabby is designed to work in harmony with MetaMask, making this step straightforward. Rabby will then automatically detect the MetaMask accounts you have set up on your browser. You shouldn't have to do any heavy lifting here, as it intelligently syncs with the existing setup. You'll see a list of your MetaMask accounts displayed on the screen. Take a moment to carefully choose the account or accounts that you want to connect to Rabby Wallet. You have the flexibility to select multiple accounts if that's what you prefer. This ensures that you have centralized access, making management easy and efficient. After you've selected your accounts, you'll see a Next button. Go ahead and click Next, followed by Connect. This action establishes the connection between your MetaMask accounts and Rabby Wallet, allowing you to interface with your crypto holdings more effectively. Congratulations, you're now connected. You'll see the same address from your MetaMask in the Rabby Wallet interface, confirming that the setup is complete. Now, you can enjoy the benefits of having your accounts in one place, making transactions and management much easier. That's all there is to it. Following these steps not only improves your access to your cryptocurrencies, but also enhances your overall management capabilities. By integrating MetaMask and Rabby Wallet, you've streamlined your digital finance operations, making them more adaptable and straightforward. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.